Hi, welcome back to Gracefully YouTube fam. On this very video today, we're going to be making this healthy juice that is a bit spicy. If you're the type who really likes spice, this juice is for you. And if you're also the type who doesn't like spice, no problem, you can do reduction of the spice. This juice is very healthy, and considering the ingredient it contains, orange, which helps us to benefit a lot of vitamin, especially in this cold season. We really need as much as morning vitamin C we need to help protect us against flu and other sicknesses. So here we also have the chili, the red chili. You can choose to use the green chili, and here I have the turmeric. Yeah, this is a turmeric that was processed and dried by me and preserved in a bottle. So without wasting much of your time, I'll also be adding water. If the orange does not have enough juice, then I'll be adding water. But if the orange has enough juice, then there is no need of me adding some water to it. So without wasting much of your time, I want to welcome all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. And to you watching me right now, yes, you that haven't subscribed and you're coming across my video, please watch this video to the end and endeavor to subscribe at the end of this video. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know what you think on the comment section below about this video, and let's get straight into it. So for this recipe, we'll be needing a blender or fruit mixer, any one of your choice. Yep. Without wasting much of your time, I'll just go ahead and cut my oranges. So I'm not really the chili type, so I'll just cut. Okay, so it has some seeds inside. I'll just add that now in here.
People in the street, we ain't gotta live in no shame, we ain't gotta live in no pain, because God can transform ya. He make it sunny like California. If you don't know where to go, Jesus is the way. You're everything to me. You're everything. You're everything to me. You're everything. You're the risen king. I gotta tell the world what you mean to me. You're everything to me.
So I'll just go ahead now.
To the world, what you mean to me? You're everything. You're everything to me. You're everything. You're everything to me. You're everything. You're the risen king. I gotta tell the world what you mean to me. You're everything to me. I'm so over what people say, cause I'm on my mission. I serve a God who's risen.
I'm just gonna okay, so this is the reason why I'm gonna be sipping net, because
what I'm living for. I ain't got no regret. I can't let go. Holy Spirit flow. I got my treasure and my peace in Jesus. Yeah.
Okay guys, we have come to the end of today's video, and here is our juice. This juice will help to keep you warm inside of you, especially this snow and cold time. Protect you against flu and more. So cheers. Bringing it close to my nose, I can perceive the turmeric and the pepper and the chili. It tastes good. So, until next video, stay safe and stay blessed. Without wasting much of your time, have you subscribed? You that is watching me that haven't subscribed, have you subscribed? Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Stay blessed and stay safe until next video. Bye.